Stargazers!
Yes!
दूर ही जाई जा रहा है, वहाँ से इतना पास लग रहा था, यहाँ से भी उतना ही पास लग रहा है।
So we are about to start with the trek. Good morning. The sunrise is out. The sun is out.
The sunrise is out.
The sun is out.
ये बनेगा यूट्यूबर।
यूट्यूबर यही बनते हैं लोग, ठीक है। अच्छी भाषा किसी को नहीं सुननी। क्यों कहते, क्या कहते हो दोस्तों?
मुझे सुननी है, ठीक है। मैं ऐसे लोगों को अनफॉलो कर देती हूँ इन अ मोमेंट।
हाय AF। सबको पता है GoPro क्या होता है? वाह जी वाह जी वाह, ब्यूटीफुल। छोटे छोटे हंसते चेहरे। Alright, so we have started with the trek. मैंने टोपी उतारी इसलिए मेरे बाल चिपक गए। इसने भी टोपी उतारी है इसलिए
मैं तो वैसे ही
इसके बाल चिपके हुए। And we have Nagpur party. No, sorry, Pune party. Nagpur and Pune. Hello. That's Durga. And that's Prajakta, yes. Okay, we started with Brahmatal trek. This is day 2, Feb 19th, 2023. They've already stopped for snacks. What is this? Snow seekers?
नहीं,
Brahmastra. So guys, what's the name? Finally? Snow seekers. Name of the group? Brahmastra. Slow-mo.
Have you seen the movie?
Which one? Stargazers. Stargazers.
Okay, better.
It's better, Stargazers.
Stargazers. Devanshu is happy.
Yes, Stargazers.
Everybody happy?
Yes.
Stargazers.
Yes.
Stargazers.
Yes!
Woo! मैं देना मुंडू मैं
हाँ ये कर लो पहले।
मैं इंसाइड क्या था?
मैं
चिक्की निकाली है। I don't know.
मशहूर नहीं बेचारे हम।
So I asked him कि इधर भी बर्फ होता है या आगे? So he's like लोहालजंग के नीचे से बर्फ होता है। So imagine this would have all been covered in snow.
तो we are क्या? हाँ, we anticipating snow but there's no snow. घास भी सूखी है, थोड़ी हरी
अभी
है।
ब्लूम्स नहीं हुए हैं। There is नंगे पर्वत,
और ये स्नो
न्यूड माउंटेन्स।
अच्छा ठीक है, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हमें तो हुआ घर पे जिसको बोल के आए कि स्नो में जा रहे हैं।
नहीं, उनके लिए ऐसा करेंगे, फोटोशॉप कर देंगे एक फोटो। क्या बात है? And now we are trekking again.
And finally we get to be partners.
Almost done with day 2 of trek. I think
On the tree branch.
which is
Just like when we went to the lake and he read me a poem and just blew my heart away.
Hello guys, यही है ब्रह्मताल।
यही है, यही बर्फ थी। Snow man, snow cares. Guys, with every step were you asking why?
Why this trek?
Why?
No snowman trick.
No
No snowman trick.
no snow man. Nice summery vibe.
But it's still February.
Yeah, it's February and we'll face the consequence in the evening. Once we have to wear like 6 layers and sleep.
Good morning. All set for day 2. Day 3 and day 2 of the hike. So this is everybody. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
अरे वेट 1 सेकंड।
तो कोई बात नहीं।
मस्त एकदम।
So in the DIY trek today, our trek leaders have fucked up.
वो
Yeah, sweeping guide is happy. Chill, yeah. We'll chill.
Hello, check.
It's Akash. Prajakta.
Keep
There.
moving.
They're all stuck.
Everybody's standing. Hello.
Hello.
Keep moving.
Hello. Karmanya.
Keep moving.
Are you sure? Yes.
पहले चेक कर लेना आगे वाले बंदे से.
Let's go.
That's Chandru, our track leader for the day, and we're going on strong. This is the last leg of the forested part, and we are hoping to open up to a grand view right on the edge. The Landi campsite, and we are here.
Finally made it.
Panting for the right reasons.
Hello, we are sitting inside the cozy tent. Hi. It's because it's very cold outside. I worn whatever clothes I had. All of them together.
Very windy and very cold outside, so we are like packed up inside our tent also. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and we have started our climb to the Brahmatal top. My GoPro is not working because of the cold, but the phone is working. Good job, Samsung. When I was waking up, I was asking the question, why did I put myself into this? Maybe Sirith can answer. Why? No idea. Maybe because of this. Signing off. We'll catch you at the sunset. I think it's approximately 1 degrees or 2 degrees Celsius, I don't know. Maybe -1. Can't say. It's windy.
My hands are completely numb. I can't feel them.
Oh, this is nice and bright now.
We're warm now. Warm enough.
Warm enough now. The feet are warm, the hands are warm. Even after losing my glove, my hands are warm. Where are the people? They've gone so aage. Hi. Hello. Hello. Go on, team. Wonderful. Day 4, day 3 of trek.
I don't know. I lost count.
वापस जाना है ना?
अब हो गया.
होटल जाना है. होटल चेक इन करना है मुझे.
Check into a nice, comfortable hotel.
टेंट से चेक इन करते करते मैं बोर हो गया.
हाँ. Like our room would also be nice.
हाँ, अब तो घर भी जाना. घर जाना है.
घर मिल जाए.
मुझे भी घर जाना है. बस अब हो गया मेरे. There is some snow capped mountains, and that's supposed to be Brahmatal Lake. The panting. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं वो? वहाँ से कहाँ जाना है वो? वहाँ खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा.
दूर ही जाए जा रहा है. वहाँ से इतना पास लग रहा था, यहाँ से भी उतना ही पास लग रहा है.
वो हमारा पुराना कैंप है, वो हमारा नया कैंप है, और यहाँ हमारी पार्टी हो रही है. ये आ गई हमारी कॉफी. क्या बात. थैंक यू.
स्पेशल फॉर
गरम है क्या? एक बार रुकना. प्लेट में दे दो.
थैंक यू भैया. बढ़िया कॉफी लग रही है देखने में.
एकदम कमाल. लो जी लो. काफी चना जोर गरम with some dates.
ਉਹ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ
मैं देख लिया जी.
With roti with mayonnaise.
We realized that India Hikes has taken like really special care on the right nutrition of every meal. Even for our trek, the dry snacks are like dates and some chana, which is like a combination of all things which you need for quick energy and some protein and all that. So and rotis wrapped in veggies and some mayo. So the right combination of vitamins, minerals, carbs. I think it's very commendable. The meals that we are getting are really good. The right water levels for like even the dal and everything is like yummy and sufficiently watery so that in the hills you don't get dehydrated. Because during hiking you do that, so tend to not drink water also because it's cold. So it's amazing the way they have managed the entire meals and
they've designed all the
designed
stay and designed all the meals especially.
Yeah.
Like different they had different nutrients at different levels.
Yeah, as we got higher up we realized that there was a change in the cuisine which we really appreciate. Very good. Nice time with India Hikes. ये थोड़ी अच्छी स्नो होने लगी है. काश ये और बड़ी सी हो जाए. Okay, this is the last campsite night. We are at Brahmatal campsite, and it was a very comfortable day today. As such, we also
saw
snowfall actually happening in a surprise event. But it was nice. This is our tent, a nice space, and we're about to sleep off. But it's just 8:30, I guess. Maybe 8:45, but that is how it happens in the mountains. There is no light at all outside.
And we are looking forward to more adventures like these.
Yes.
But now we are tired. We really want to go back home. We still have a 9-kilometer more
Trek back
home
to the base camp.
To the base camp. But
In the morning.
let's wake up with fresh energy to do that.
Oh bhai sahab.
मेरे शूज बचा के. Oh wow. Good morning. We were not expecting this.
We are greeted by a beautiful carpet of snow. Oh, this is beautiful. It was raining for I don't know how much time in night, and in the morning we are welcomed with beautiful snow. Those are the mules carrying offloaders.
Hi, I'm Ram Sami.
Hi, I'm Shukumar from Bangalore.
Myself Nesha.
Hi, Shyam here from Chennai.
Hey, I'm Teju from Bangalore.
Hey, Karmanya here.
I'm Neetu. I'm from Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Neeta. Seerath from Chandigarh, and I loved the trek completely, like from day one till now.
Pritham from Bangalore. Hi, Adarsh from Chennai.
I'm Spurti. So happy to be here.
Amrita here. Amazing trek.
Prajakta from Nagpur. Having the best time with the best people.
I'm Fraser from Chennai. I loved the forest.
I'm Mahesh from Chennai.
Hey, I'm Chandru.
Hi, this is Isha from Mumbai.
Hi, Dhanesh here.
I'm currently panting.
Hi, I'm Durga. I'm from Pune.
I'm Nakul. I'm from Chandigarh.
पंकज मैं लौजंग से हूँ, लोकल गाइड. और
पसंद क्या है पहाड़ों के बारे में? क्या पसंद है पंडित?
बस स्नोफॉल. आप खुश हैं तो हम भी खुश हैं.
जन्मजात पहाड़ी हैं इसलिए पहाड़ वैसे ही पसंद है. सब कुछ पुराना ही है लेकिन ट्रेकर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं.
क्या
हमारे लिए नए केवल ट्रेकर ही होते हैं.
Hey, hi, I'm Mayank from Kedarnath and I really loved Mount Trishul.
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! अरे लोग दुकानें, अपना टाइम आएगा। क्या बात है। So happy. Congratulations. Congrats. हो गए। जंग जीत के आए हम, लोहा जंग। लोहा जंग जीत के आए हम।
Sigh of relief.
A thigh of relief. Very, very thoughtful exercise. This is a very good initiative by India Hikes, which I really appreciate. Recycling and segregating the waste that we found on the trek, and carrying our own waste as well, which we are not even putting here. We'll carry it back to the city because, as they said, there is no exit. Yeah, to the garbage here. So sustainability, which is very close to our hearts, and we really appreciate this whole idea of practicing it on a thing like a trek. It's amazing.
That's again वो cherry on the top है मैं कहूँगा, right? So I'm very happy for that. Yes, and you know, so I'm sure like you know, Himalayas जिसको allow करते हैं आने के लिए वही लोग शायद कर पाते हैं इसको summit, right? And you can see, you know, Mount Trishul के सामने how tiny we are, right? They are, and we should show the gratitude like for this trek. So if you want to show gratitude for someone, to your family, और किसी को भी मतलब if you want, किसी को भी आपके दिमाग में कुछ न कुछ आ रहा होगा, just close your eyes for 1 minute and just think about that person. And yes.
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!